So there's a story going around the internet right now about James Hetfield being replaced by none other than Adam Lambert. No, I don't think so. So doing some research on this is clearly just fun, satire, nothing real. So guys, don't worry. James is hopefully coming back soon. Although I don't actually know that, but I can guarantee Adam Lambert is not replacing James Hetfield. In fact, there is no replacement for James Hetfield. He is irreplaceable. You cannot replace Mr. James Hetfield. Without James, there is no Metallica. It just wouldn't work, and we all know that. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and if you did think there could be a replacement for James, put in the comments down below. Tell me, who could replace James? I would really like to hear these comments, because I cannot imagine anybody being the frontman of Metallica other than James Hetfield. Yeah, that's my thoughts, and I'm sticking with it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.